Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed either a Microsoft PowerPoint, a Google Slides PowerPoint, or a video, say from YouTube, or something that you have recorded or created. So I'm going to show you using our morning announcements from our lovely principal, Mr. Cole. So he sent us an email that had this as an attachment. Now he also made it easier for us, and he created a YouTube link for us. So I'm just going to select the YouTube link, copy, and I'm going to go back to It's Learning. Now, let's say I wanted to put it on the side down here. So I'm going to add a new content block, rich content. I would say Monday announcements. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to find the embed tool. So you're going to come all the way over here, and it looks like this. It has a less than / greater than symbol in it, and it's a dark circle. So I'm going to click on it. And when it comes up, it's just going to ask you to paste your URL. So I'm going to right click, paste, and now you can see it's populated down here at the bottom. Insert. And so now this is like a space holder. It's not actually going to show you the picture of what the announcement looks like, but you can play around with the size. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to click OK. And again, remember, it will automatically put it up at the top, but I want mine to be on the side because I want their assignments to be big on the side over here. Now, there you have it. All the students would have to do is click, and it would take them to that YouTube video for them to watch.